Hey there, YouTubers. Unboxing time. Let's go ahead and get the next item out of this box. And hey, we got some Ethernet cables. These are 6-footers. I think this is a 6-pack Cat 6 Ethernet 6-foot cables. They're just kind of thrown in here. Nothing spectacular. The way this is packaged. Let's go ahead and get them out. Alright, so I guess this was a 10-pack, folks. What do I know? There's 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And look, they put this thing in here. Free item, 10-foot 2-pack. To claim your gift, they probably want you to do an Amazon review. That's usually what these things are about, right? Which, depends on your level of honesty, I guess. If you're really happy with it, then go ahead and do the review. Get your free cables. If you're not happy, then probably best just returning it. So here's the item. It looks okay. Is it the best pair of Ethernet cables I bought? Probably not. But, for the money I paid, pretty good price. And hopefully I got some shots there, you guys, if you're out there wondering what you're going to get. The cables themselves, obviously it feels like Ethernet cable, but you can tell a better quality cable. These, are lower to mid-level quality. So, hey, thanks for checking out the video. Please like, please subscribe. Thank you.